Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at the MTA 822 by Mtech. It's an all cadmium coated. It's actually a really good looking knife. They've incorporated the flames in the handle right here. Looks like they've done it in the blade as well, and it pops under that light. Right back here, belt clip doesn't seem to be too much belt clip. What I mean by belt clip is a pocket clip right there. And then it sits super high on the knife, so it will go down in the pocket all the way and will hide if you're looking for a more concealed type look. I'm not too big on the cadmium coating. I know that they look good, and this knife definitely looks good. So let's go ahead, let's try that trigger out real quick. Boom. Yeah, guys, just a nice looking knife. I know the light, you could probably see all the reflection. Hey, you can probably see the reflection of me in there. Yep, right there. But anyway, got your large belly drop point blade on it. You do have the flames that are incorporated up here at the top, which will actually, with those punch outs, have decreased some of the weight a little bit on it. Guys, that's it right there. Let's look here. Yep. Got your standard liner lock right there. Simple close. Single hand deployment. Single hand close, yeah. You're not going to have any trouble at all. The blade on it seems to be so-so, so you might want to run it on a stone once or twice. But that's it, guys. Again, this is the MTA 822. Just a simple review. If you want to see a more in-depth review on this knife, be sure to go check out our other channel, Product Probes, where we dive deeper into knives. We check it out in the pocket. We check out sharpness and other things like that. But if you're looking for a cool-looking knife, this might be the way to go. So if you're interested, I will leave the link. It's just an Amazon link down there below in the description, and I will see y'all in the next one.